Now that you have your guys' attention, I'll start the actual video. So in this video, we're going to be forging that bottle opener as you saw in the beginning. This is a super fun and easy project for the beginner smith or a guy like me who just wants to make an extra few bucks on the side. I've been selling these on eBay, and I told a customer that I would actually make a video on how I make these. So here it is. Forging one of these is really simple. First you start by tapering the end on one side of a small piece of bar stock, like this piece. This is just something I just pulled out of the garbage. It doesn't even have to be anything fancy, it's mild steel. It doesn't harden to any degree, but you don't have to because it's a bottle opener. So after tapering the first end, you're going to flatten out the other end to a nice pancake look and then draw it out to a nice point. I'm going to square up the center part so we can do a nice twist for a decorative design. Not a fancy twist, just a one-way direction twist. You can get fancy with it and do like a pineapple twist or a basket weave twist if you're really crazy, or even just a reverse twist, but you know, I'm just going simple on this one. Now I'm going to bend the face, or the flattened end, the flattened pointy end, over on itself and then hammer it down. Then after heating it up, I'll actually bend it around again to make the face of the bottle opener and a little hook. And then we're going to take this and kind of turn it into a small wrap tang. We'll wrap it around so it meets the back end of the actual bottle opener. And I'll tap it down. And I'll take the end of our rat tang and I will bend it so it matches the actual bottle opener. Then I'll brush it off with the block brush and then prepare for waxing. This is just some cast iron high temperature wax. It's really nice stuff. And there it is. I think this turned out really nice. If you are interested in one of these, you can go check it out on my eBay site. I'll leave a link in the description below. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and you all have a great day.